Hey guys, this is a requested video and I was asked to make a decor for the back of the bed that's gonna look more like a mantle. But then I made something that resembles a mantle, but it's not totally a mantle. And then I put in lighting at the back to create some special effect at night. This was super easy to make and I'd like to share with you guys how I made it. Now here are the items that I used for this project. I will be leaving a more detailed list down in the description box below. I started out by cutting out the boards in specific measurements that I'll be needing for the project. I made 6 of these, and because they were not long enough, I had to cut out extra pieces to make sure that I get the height to be 56 inches. These are for the sides of the board, and then I cut extra pieces also to make sure that I get it into 56 inches in height. And here I'm just going to be gluing all the pieces together, but first adding them up with tape to make sure that they stay in place before I glue them down. When you get trifold boards, they also have parts that are kind of open, so I had to close that also with tape. Now that I'm done taping all the bends, I'm going to be gluing the pieces together. There are boxes that they sell in stores or boxes that you have after purchasing an item. Yeah, these are boxes that could have similar measurements. And instead of making a new one, like I am doing right here, you can just use those boxes instead and stack them up together. So I am making my own box because I don't have access to those kind of boxes, but I wish I did because that way I wouldn't have to make this all from the scratch. But then if you don't, this is going to be a good video so you can make yours when you don't have those boxes. If you're new to my channel, it's so great to have you here. Now don't forget to click on the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my latest videos. This is what it looks like. And then I made 3 of them. And then I covered up the edges with tape. And then I made provisions for the both ends. These are skewers that I'm going to be using. And I cut out the tips because we don't need that for the design. And I will be using these skewers to actually make a form of texture in front of the 2 boards that will be by the side. I used 1.5 pack, but then this step right here is optional. You don't really need to do this, but I just decided to give it a little bit of texture at the front. This is the pattern that I'll be making, and I glue them down. And I spray painted it silver. This is a cotton rod that I got from Walmart that comes with its accessories, and I will be mounting it on the wall. This is the lighting that I will be using, and I ordered it online. The link will be in the description box below. And then I hang them on using board pins. And I used 2. So this is how you attach both lightings together. I'm going to be using this sheer curtain that I got from Walmart. And here I'm just going to be putting it into the rod. I used a white sheer curtain for this project because I wanted the lighting at the back to come out more. But you can use a different color of a sheer curtain if you like. I made some adjustments later because of the hook that's on the wall. I removed one of the boards that's at the back of one of the 3 boards that we're going to be using. And then the one that's going to be in front, I reduced the length to create enough room for the curtains. I hanged all the boards using command strips. And then here are the points that I put on the command strips. The board touching the ceiling. And then the both boards that will be touching the one in the middle at the top. And then the both boards also have extra command strips. I will be using this lighting also, and it uses a remote. And I use 2 packs because a pack comes with 2 lights and I need 3. So I use 2 packs, which is 4 lights, but then I use 3. But then one remote can actually control all 2 packs. The link will be in the description box below. And this is not a sponsored video. I just love this item and I decided to use it for my home. It also comes with an adhesive backing to make it easy for you to install. These are the points where I intend to put on the lightings. But then I changed my mind. This is for me, of course. I changed my mind to put mine right inside, and I made emergency holes that were kind of rough, so I covered up the roughness with mirrors and gems. These are extra decor pieces that I got from Walmart. And because this particular one is kind of high, I cut it down with scissors and it was kind of rough at the edges. So I'm going to be covering it up with diamond wrap. After adding all of the extras, this is what we have. I really love how I made this from the very top to halfway down, and that's just me. Yours can go right down to the bottom because the request was made from top to bottom, but then I couldn't just make mine to the bottom because the decor that I wanted to make would come halfway. That's for me, so of course you can make yours from top to bottom. The effect that all the lightings give at night is what I love about this decor. And you can change colors from white to blue and then to red and to green. And you can just leave it on to keep changing colors from time to time. And then the lighting that's going on at the back of the curtain looks so pretty. It looks like you have little lighting dropping from the top of the ceiling and coming down to the bed. This is a project that you can make over the weekend with your family. And it's a fun thing because I had fun making this. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about this design, and remember to like and share. And also remember to turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my latest videos. I hope you enjoyed this video and thank you so much for watching. I have other videos linked in the description box below. Do check them out and don't forget to click on the subscribe button.